Hello everyone, this is Manjul Sharma and today we will discuss about the solar eclipse. So first of all, there is some important question: what is solar eclipse and how to watch eclipse. Here you can see on 21st June 2020 solar eclipse will be happen. So let's move to the first point. What is solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon gets in the way of sun's light and casts its shadow on earth. In other words, we can see when the solar eclipse takes place, the sunlight falls on the moon, and moon's shadow falls on the earth, which makes us difficult to see the sun. This is how the sun eclipse seem to be. And here you can see three kinds of solar eclipse: total, partial and annular. So a solar eclipse will take place on 21st June 2020. This will be an annular solar eclipse. So what is an annular solar eclipse? An solar annular eclipse occurs when the new moon covers the face of the sun. New moon covers the face of the sun, but the lunar disk is too small to totally cover it. So an annular, called the ring of the fire, surrounds the moon as shown. This will be the first solar eclipse of 2020. And what is the timing of this solar eclipse? Its timing 21st June 2020 on Sunday 9:17 AM to 3:04 PM, and maximum will occur at 12:10 PM in Indian Standard Time. Now comes to the most important question: where will the eclipse be visible? The eclipse will be visible from mid-Africa, across the Middle East, northern India and Southeast Asia. The partial eclipse will be visible over Western Africa, the Middle East and the South and East Asia. The annular eclipse will cover 99% of the sun's surface. It will last 38 seconds at the maximum eclipse. The maximum eclipse will occur at 6:40 AM GMT and 12:10 PM IST. Now move to the next point: how to watch eclipse. When you're watching the celestial show, would be a great experience for everyone, but you must be cautious as any negligence can cause damage to your eyes. Don't look at the sun directly at any cost. This can permanently damage your eyes. You can use to see eclipse X-ray sheets, and sunglasses should also be avoided because they don't cut off enough light. The safest way to watch the eclipse is through the eclipse glasses. If you are watching the eclipse through a telescope, make sure you are using a solar filter. You can also watch the live streaming of the eclipse on various websites. So I hope you understand it. Thank you.